Great opportunity to own a top-floor condo in the heart of it all. You will love the walkability to all amenities, trails, mall, shopping, community college and medical facilities. Beautifully appointed with laminate wood flooring, attractive plantation shutters, and an open floor plan. Bright and airy with a private south-facing balcony. Spacious primary suite, large walk-in closet and master bath with double sinks. There are ceiling fans, recessed lighting, a portable air conditioner unit and an additional bonus room. Lots of storage space and covered private parking. Cellar leaving nice furniture. Enjoy the large clubhouse, exercise room with kitchen facilities. Low HOA. Private residence or great investment opportunity. Can't go wrong on this one.